things gets overwhelming already. So, dami na namin nakukuha ang inquiries, tapos most of them, hindi na din siya na-entertain. So, sabi ko, sayang. So what if nasendan sila ng proposal, di ba? Tapos, matawagan sila. Yun, so that's when I realized na yung existing system na ginagawa namin, which are all manual, by the way, is hindi effective. So it will not work anymore. And if we want to grow, we really need a new system. That's the time na nag-research ako about how to create a system, about yung mga CRM na yan. So I even asked help from AI. Pero yun nga, it's still hard for me. Siguro kasi hindi ako knowledgeable and also hindi ko makuha yung gusto kong mangyayari. So I still find it complicated. So yun, more on proposal sending and follow-ups. So yun yung naging overwhelming na sa. Yun talaga yung pinaka challenge. Kasi yun nga, ang daming nasasayang na clients. And without a system, I realized, wala, how would we know? Baka ma-close namin yung deal. Yung goal ko talaga is to create more leads and increase din yung lead to close na conversion rate, syempre. Pero yun nga, I don't know, it all comes down dun sa proposal making. I really want a fast-moving proposal that will generate us for clients and yun nga, the smooth follow-up process. Before, siguro nakakagawa lang ako ng mga marami ng 20 proposals. So siguro per client, allot ka ng 15 minutes, 15 to 20. Ilan lang talaga siya. Yan. So, in a day talaga, bilang na bilang mo. So, for example, we get 100 inquiries. Ang ma-entertain lang namin doon, maximum of 20 clients na. So, di ba, sayang yung 80 clients. Di ba, I want to resolve yung concern ko with the fast-moving proposal and yung follow-up process. Pero I know then that with the type of proposal that we have, yung changes every now and then, ang daming nagbabago sa pricing from the supplier and yun nga, other matters to consider. Alam ko medyo complicated talaga siya. So, kasi ang hirap talaga at ang gulo ng proposal na meron kami existingly, before actually. Kasi nga, naisip ko, yun nga, since it's complicated, so if magbabayad ako agad, baka masayang yung payment ko pag hindi na-work. So, parang yung expectation ko din na actually, na hindi siya mag-work. Yeah, that it won't work. Ay, ba to? So, hindi din siya ganun kalaki. Honestly, nahook ako dun sa free na 7-day trial. So, naisip ko by that time, if it won't work, then okay lang, kasi free naman siya. So, good thing you have that. So, nabigyan ako ng chance to try it first. Ayan. And then, along the way, nakita ko naman na I've seen a lot of progress and yun nga, possibilities. So, actually, hindi siya natapos agad within 7 days, but I continued anyway kasi nakita ko yung nasimulan and nakita ko it's going somewhere. So, may potential. Yun, so I continued and also the team is very, very helpful. Halos everyday kausap ko kayo, telling you what I want, these changes, ang dami kong tanong. Pero yun nga, I didn't feel na nakulitan kayo sa akin kahit once. So that's a plus point. Now siguro I'm more focused on how to get more inquiries na. So focusing on the ads na pumapasok then the inquiries from the ads rather. Since yun nga, mas confident na ako ngayon na I can accommodate them because of the new system that we have through Flow 21. Kasi it's mas mabilis na yung process ngayon. I think kaya na namin ma-entertain kahit mas madami ng leads yung pumasok. Ang nakita ko nga, kulang na kami siguro more on sa people na mag-handle. But with the system, yung 20% kanina, definitely kaya na yun 100%. Kaya na siyang matapos in one day. Kasi right now, yung 20 minutes na ina-allot namin, let's say 15 minutes from the making of proposal, kaya na siya in less than 1 minute. So, ang laki talaga ng change. Ay, big help talaga siya. Actually, hindi ko alam kung nakwento to ni Ron, pero sabi ko nga sa kanya last week, finally! So, napa-finally na ako sa chat namin. Kasi feeling ko, yes, parang I can finally move on and do other more important tasks. Kasi feeling ko, yung hinahanap ko, yung kailangan talaga namin sa proposals, tapos na, yun nga, with feeling ko na perfect na ni Ron, na perfect na natin yung gusto namin mangyari. So, yeah, thank you for that. Ayan. So, very satisfied. Tapos yun pala, di ba? Pero nakakatuwa lang kasi nga, parang it's a process talaga. Hindi siya perfect at the start. The team is very helpful. Kaya, if you're like me, who's still doing your company's processes manually, and medyo sumasakit na yung ulo nyo, and if nakikita nyo na nag-grow yung company, so I suggest you try Flow 21. So for me, no regrets. They have a lot to offer. So it's really helpful when you're running a business. And not to mention, yan, the amazing after-sales support then from the team. Really satisfied with all the assistance and support I received from them.